Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash scripting. Today we are going to learn about how to automate a backup process using the bash script. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Creating a backup process using the bash script involves specifying what to backup, where to store the backup, right? So here we have the source directory, backup directory, and the backup name. And how to create that backup with the tar hyphen czf. I will show you what exactly the czf means. Create backup using the tar with the options hyphen czf. It compresses hyphen z for the zip, archive hyphen c for the create, and the writes the output to a file for the hyphen f. Okay, specified by the backup directory and the name. You can also expand this script to include more features like rotation, logging, error handling, and the encryption. Okay, so let's see. Here we have the code level. So here we go with the test.sh. So this is source directory, HTML bash, backup directory. This is the bash wherever you want to. So backup directory, you can make a new directory or something. You can just make a path of it. Backup name. So this is the dynamic how to create the backup, that naming the backup file of that with the timestamp. So this is backup underscore date, year, month, date, and the time. Okay, and how to create that backup with tar hyphen czf, backup directory, backup name, and the source directory. Okay, so let's save this and try to create the backup. Run this command or execute this command. Okay, file name changed, removing the leading member name star. Okay, let's have a look. The backup is created or not. You can see the backup is created. Okay, if I extract over here, right, backup. So here we have the var html. You can see the bash. You can see the backup of that one. Okay, so here if we have successfully created the backup, right? So two backups are created or one. I don't know. Just let me clean this one. Okay, so there is no backup currently. Let's clear all of this. Okay, let's create this one. Okay, so here we have the one backup only. Okay, so the backup file is created. Extract here. So you can here you can see that the backup files. Okay, so there is only one backup file which is created over here, right? So the one backup is there. Okay, so this is how you can create the backups whenever you have a, because sometimes in the, if like suppose we have to take the backup for the daily basis like 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. So you can create a cron job that will run 8 a.m. or 1 a.m. or whatever the duration, and set that cron job, so automatically it will take the backup into your system, into your source directory. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.